everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to sum positive or negative numbers separately in Excel. So I have this data set and we are going to calculate the total income here, which are the positive values in this data, and the total expenses here, which are the negative values in this data. We shall use the SUMIF function, and this is a formula that is used to add up cell values based on a certain condition. Type equal sign on your keyboard, then type SUMIF and then open the brackets. You can see the formula has three arguments: range, criteria, and sum range. So for the range, this is the range of cells to be evaluated by the criteria. This is the range, so we shall select it and then put a comma. The next argument is criteria. This is the condition that must be met. For the positive values, they have to be greater than 0. So we shall type open quotation marks and then type greater than sign and then 0. Then type closing quotation marks and then put a comma. The third argument is the sum range. This is the range to sum if the condition is met. The range that you want to sum if the condition is met is this range. And then once you're done, close the brackets and then press enter. There you go. So all the positive values have been added, which is the total income. So let's go to the adding up of negative numbers. Type equal sign and then type SUMIF. Then open the brackets. Our range is this one, the range of cells to be evaluated by the criteria. Then put a comma, then open quotation marks. Then the criteria is the values, they have to be less than 0, okay, because they are negative numbers. And then closing quotation marks, then put a comma. Then the third argument is the sum range, which is the same range. Then once you're done, close the bracket and press enter. There you go. So we have our positive values here and our negative values, and if we add them up, the figure is the same as this one. It's the same value. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.